It's dark. DG set. Facing east. 090. Got my clearance. Alright, let's get flight following. We have Alpha right using runway 2. Brainerd ground Cherokee 3133 Quebec. We have Alpha at the Hartford Jet Center. Like flight following to New Haven, please.
Number 3133 Quebec, Brainerd ground. Copy all. Say cruising altitude.
2,900, please.
Copy. Number 2133 Quebec, I got your squawk available, advised and ready.
33 Quebec is ready, and we are also ready to taxi.
Number 33 Quebec, runway 2, taxi via Hotel Alpha, cross runway 29. And departure frequency is 123.95. Squawk 1340.
Squawk 1340 at 123.95. Taxi to runway 2 via Hotel Alpha, cross runway 29, 33 Quebec.
Tower, Lifestar 1.
Lifestar 1, Brainerd Tower.
Coming off the roof of Hartford Hospital, looking for a southwestbound departure.
Lifestar 1, Brainerd Tower, southwest out of the airspace, approved, altimeter 3025.
Thank you, run the go.
Number 3133 Quebec, Brainerd Tower, runway 2, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 2, 33 Quebec.
Number 1, we'll take about Foxtrot, Brainerd Tower, as you enter the right downwind traffic, Cessna 172, about 3 miles straight in. I will call your base.
Now be looking at traffic. You'll call our base, 3 bumper Foxtrot.
Just a little bit to the left and let the Cessna know, but look for Cessna traffic just south of the bridge.
Look at the traffic, traffic inside,
We're going to about Foxtrot, roger. Follow that traffic here, number 2, runway 2, clear to land.
Number 2, runway 2, clear to land, 3 bumper Foxtrot.
And November 21394, Brainerd Towers, Cessna traffic ahead, slightly to your right, as you in sight, may follow you.
I hear them for that traffic, 394.
Alright, we're at 579. I'm waiting for him to be clear here. 600.
Alright, 313, take it back, Brainerd Tower. Actually, maybe the left turn might be better for you. Headed southbound, I got 2 on the right side.
3133 Quebec, making a left turn sounds like a great idea. Contact approach.
Roger that, for exchange route today.
Bradley approach Cherokee 3133 Quebec, 1000 for 2,900. Done.
3133 Quebec, departure ident, altimeter 3026.
Identing 3026.
Quebec, radar contact on north of Hartford, altimeter 3026. Are you doing approach to New Haven or just going there VFR?
Direct VFR to New Haven, please. Just looking for a flight following, please.
17 mixed up, contact tower 120.3.
Contact tower 120.3.
Alright, we're at 1779. There's the airport to our left.
We're not going to do it. Contact Hartford 119.6. I'll talk to you on the outbound. 0.6, talk to you tonight.
Alright, we are talking to Bradley. Welcome to Alpha Kilo Airlines. There will be no food or beverage on this flight. We're flying to New Haven, Connecticut. I got something to my 12 o'clock. Not sure what that is. I'm gonna... 2,000 is that. Heading 24. around 2,400 or 2,900. $2,500. I'm going to turn onto this GPS here. GPS heading. A little hazy. Above the traffic today. Alright, we're getting close to our altitude. We're 200 away. 2,800. Pitch down.
Good afternoon, Bradley approach. Piper Archer 164 Sierra Whiskey.
89 knots.
It's Archer 164 Sierra Whiskey just on
Building my speed up.
Looking for flight following up to Barnes.
A little bit of throttle down.
164 Sierra Whiskey, approach block 5212, ident.
5212.
2,900.
We're going to level off at 3,000 on our way to Barnes.
Turn this heat off.
164 Sierra Whiskey.
Alright.
164 Whiskey, radar contact 3 north of the Robertson Airport. Altimeter 3025, proceed on course, maintain VFR.
3025 on course and VFR. 164 Sierra Whiskey.
Alright. Trim the airplane.
Approach crew track 219 flying runway.
We're at 100 knots.
Request vectors for the VOR Alpha.
Crew track 219 by departure, ident.
Okay.
3025.
Cruise.
Bradley approach November 3152 kilo 6,500.
Mixture. Mixture and
By the approach, altimeter 3025.
mixture lean a little bit.
3025 over 35 kilo.
Crew track 219 by departure, ident. Altimeter 3025.
Alright, I'm on the track to New Haven. I'm going to make a slight right turn.
Hello, approach Bonanza 136 Alpha Foxtrot 4,500 direct November 07.
I see some buildings, 12 o'clock. That's New Haven.
Crew track 219 radar contact. Turn right to Norwich, maintain VFR.
Norwich maintain VFR, crew track 219.
Crew track 219, contact Providence approach 123.67. Advise them of your intentions.
12367, crew track 219.
Alright. I see the city of New Haven. We have the I-91 to our left. I'm going to veer off a little bit so we can fly over 91. I'm going to intersect 91 coming up here. I got a nice breeze in the cockpit today, not like Sunday. This is nice and comfortable. 2,900. That's the target altitude I'm at. We're using the GPS today to get us to New Haven. We are 24 miles from New Haven. We are doing 100 knots on the ground. Let's relax here and enjoy the view today. Keep an eye on the altitude, 2,900. Oil temperature's green, fuel pressure's green, oil pressure's green. Electric fuel pump going off.
Number 52 kilo, proceed to cloud.
Direct to cloud, number
I
5.
turn the electric fuel pump on when I am coming in for landing. Airplane feels stable. 2,900. 2,300 RPM. Ground flight following. I'm closing one vent off. I got plenty of breeze out of this one. Alright. No hands. No hand flying. It's like a Tesla. Full self-driving. Full self-flying Tesla.
Quebec, traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles northwestbound, 2,000, indicated type unknown.
3-3 go back looking for traffic, 11 o'clock.
Approach Cessna, November 25.
Alright, let's keep an eye on this traffic.
4,500.
9 foot Delta, Riley approach, roger.
O'clock. Let's see if we can see him. Here's my 12, there's my 11. Let's see if that gets louder. We're at 2,900. We're on heading. 20 miles from the airport. I could not see the traffic. So he was at 2,000.
To Quebec, traffic is no factor passing off the left side now.
No factor, 3 through Quebec, thank you. Alright, we're clear of that guy. Not a factor. Maybe we'll get him on video. I'm looking for him, I don't see him. Sometimes you see him, sometimes you don't.